We've all had rough night's sleep from time to time, but insomnia is no joke. According to the American College of Cardiology, 69% of individuals who suffered with insomnia were more likely to experience a heart attack in their lifetime. It's time you and I start taking our insomnia seriously. One solution that can really help is changing up your diet before bed. It's recommended that including more melatonin-inducing foods into your diet can help you sleep better and more fully at nighttime. Our sleep experts recommend adding flaxseed oil, leafy greens, or legumes to smoothies that you might make at nighttime before bed. We have a free sleep smoothie ebook at www.snorelessnow.com that's waiting for you. Let's get a better night's sleep together. Subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow.